Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Pixi's On The Glow blush. I have all three shades here with me today. I'll be including swatches and a demo. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. This is my first time receiving a PR package from Pixi, and I think I'm on their PR list. Well, at least I hope I am because I love a lot of their products. They are a drugstore brand and I find their products a lot more affordable than some of the products you can find at Sephora. I received all three of the On The Glow blush in PR. I really like the design of the PR package because it looks like the bigger version of the actual product. And inside you have all three glow stick nicely displayed. We will swatch all three of these, but before we do that, let me tell you a little bit about the product first. This is a multi-purpose product and you can use it on your cheeks and lips. It should be hydrating and contains vitamins that are packed with antioxidants benefit. I have seen a lot of multi-purpose lips and cheek products, but I have not seen one with this kind of design. This is what one of the packaging looks like. It reminds me of a design of a deodorant stick, except that this is a product that you would apply on the face. The lid snaps off very easily. When you purchase this brand new, there is a protective cap, so you will need to remove the cap before using the product. You twist the bottom to expose more products, and when you're done, just twist the opposite for the product to go back down, but make sure you put the lid back on after each use. Now I'm going to go through and swatch each of the shades. The first shade, Fleur, is a rosy pink blush. With just one swipe, it is pretty pigmented, so you need to blend it out with your fingers. After blending it out, the color is less pigmented and looks a bit more natural. If you want to add more color, this blush is buildable, so you can always go in and add more to build up the intensity where your comfort level is. I used to be scared of cream blush, but after using it a few times, I really enjoy the formula and the finish. Now I'm going to apply this to my lips. I like that the stick feels very hydrating and is packed with antioxidants and vitamins. I really like this lip color, and since it is transparent, it takes on your natural lip color and blends it in with the pink tint, which makes the color more subtle and not overpowering. I love pink blush and I used to wear them a lot, and I think that this color would look good on someone with a light to medium skin tone. With that said, if you have a deeper skin tone and pink is your color, then this shade could also work for you too. You just have to apply several layers to build up the intensity you want. So moving on to the next shade, Juicy, which looks like an orange color. I would describe this shade as more of an apricot / coral color. Again, with just one swipe, this shade is very pigmented, but when blended, it looks more like a natural blush, and I think it looks very nice with my complexion. Let's take a look at how this shade looks on the lips. Not only you can use this stick on the cheek and lip, I have used cream-based blush as an eyeshadow, and it actually looks very nice. I won't apply it to my eyelid today because I'm heading out later and it's super hot outside. My lid does get oily during the hot weather, so I want to avoid any creasing. Out of the three shades, I would have to say that this is my favorite color because I love the warm tone look and I'm currently obsessed with coral, so this color is totally up my alley. Not only that, it also matches my eye makeup today, and for the last shade, we have Ruby, which is a red color blush. Out of the three shades, I would say that this is my least favorite shade as I am not really a red blush person. With one swipe, you can see that this blush is very pigmented. After blending it out, it actually doesn't look so bad. The main difference I find in cream blush is that it is more hydrating and easier to blend than a powder blush. It also adds a dewy and glowy finish on the cheek, which I kind of like. Although I'm not a fan of red blush, I think the shade would look better as a lip color than a blush for my skin tone, so let's give it a try on the lips. All of these moisture stick feels very hydrating and act like chapstick on your lips so that your lips are always hydrated. Red blush may not be my cup of tea, but I think it looks really good on people with a deeper skin tone. So for my overall thoughts, I like the idea of this product. Unlike a powder blush where you have to use a brush to apply the blush to your cheeks, this one just requires you to swipe it directly onto your cheek and blend it out with your fingers, so you don't have to carry multiple products. As you can see from earlier swatches that these colors do come out very pigmented when they're not blended, but when they are blended, the colors do come out lighter and they're very subtle. I like that you can build up the intensity by adding more colors to the areas where you want to brighten up. I also like that this moisture stick is very hydrating and it gives your cheek more of a dewy finish. Before I wrap up this video, just in case you're curious, the contact lens I'm wearing today is from Just4Kira in the style Vision Gray, and I will leave a link in the description box below just in case you want to check them out after this video. And that wraps up this review. Let me know your thoughts on the Pixi on the Globe blush and what's your favorite shade in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!